In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GlobalGPT. So over here, you first want to go to glbgpt.com, which is basically GlobalGPT. You can access this also via the link down below in my description, as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get some bonuses upon sign up. And then, of course, if you would like to share your link as well with somebody else, you can go on the platform in here, and then you'll be able to basically earn approximately $1 in credit for every 10 registered users. So here's going to be your invite link. You can use mine if you want to as well. Now, once you're in here, the basic functionalities of this is that it allows you to basically use like ChatGPT, but there's basically all the different popular integrations and programs, models, and agents in here you can use directly on GlobalGPT. So let me just demonstrate this for you really quickly. Now, you can go to My Tools, top left, and then over here, the basic is going to be the GPT 4.0 or 4.0, whatever you want to call it. Now, you want to first, of course, you can message him if you want to, but you can add tools before doing this. So if you click on Add Tools, you can then have a bunch of different ones. So you can add in Midjourney, you can add in GPT 4.5, you can add in, for example, DeepSeek, and you have a bunch of different ones. As you can see, if you scroll down, it will keep on adding. So let me just add in, for example, Midjourney over here, and then you want to click on Add. And just like this, it will be added successfully. And as you can see, this is now a tool via which you can generate images, because this is what Midjourney is for. So you can switch between GPT 4.0 and Midjourney version 6.1. So if you want to now, for example, generate an image, you can generate it, give it all the different instructions over here, click on Generate Image, and this will generate it. Now, of course, you can add different tools as well, like maybe DeepSeek, or maybe, I don't know, Luma or Runway, and you can add all of these in here, and all of them will be added successfully over here to the top. You can use each and every single one by just clicking on them over here. And yes, that's the basic functionality. So it combines all different models, the different AI models and programs and tools you use into one simple website, which is GlobalGPT. Now, you can go to the Recommend tab over here on the left, and as you can see different tool sets that are recommended for different people. So for designers, developers, students, content creators, etc. You have a bunch of these over here. And you can also see the Explore page, which will basically allow you to filter through these different tools, and you can see what each and every single tool does by just simply reading what it says over here on the screen. And if you click on a specific one, it will open up right away, so we can try it out. You can then start a new chat or add it to your tools as well. You can go to Gallery over here, and this gallery will take you to the GlobalGPT page, where basically you can see all the AI art that is being generated using GlobalGPT. So there's a bunch of different images. As you can see, some of them are really cool. You can see all of them by clicking View More, and just keep on clicking View More, and you can just scroll through these. Now, if you click on any of these, you can try it now. You can copy the prompt if you want to. You can like it, share it, of course, all that good stuff. Now, on the left, you also have the History tab, so let me just go back, there we go. Inside History, what you'll be able to do is see your previous tools you have used, and then if you basically run out of these credits, because there's, of course, a certain amount of credits on the free plan, you will have to upgrade by clicking Upgrade Plan over here, and as you can see, these are all the subscribe plans, as well as top-up plans over here. They have different payment methods available as well, both in crypto and fiat currencies. And yeah, you can also download this for iOS. They support it over here, and you can change the language down below if you would want to as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use GlobalGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.